So, hello everyone. I am Professor Amit Vyas, Computer IT Department from Dr. Subhash Technical Campus. Today, we are discuss about the matrix chain multiplication. So, first of all, we are discuss how the problems is defined in the matrix chain multiplication in the dynamic programming unit. So, the question is, so different types of question we have right here. So, in the examination, you have solved the problems using matrix chain multiplication. So the question is, solve the following problems using matrix chain multiplication. So the P0 is 5, P1, P2, P3 and P4. So you have given one question here. Otherwise, you have given some different types of question here. Solve the following problems using matrix chain multiplication using टेबल. तो इसमें क्या होगा, आपको एक टेबल दिया होगा और इससे आपको प्रॉब्लम को सोल्व आउट करना है. So you have note that here in the table you have defined that. तो इस टेबल से आपको कौन कौन से वैल्यू मिलेगी वो आप देख सकोगे. आपको टेबल दिया हुआ है मैट्रिक्स एंड डायमेंशन में A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6 number of value. So now the value you have find here. The dimension is important here 5, 4, 4, 6, 6, 2, 2, 7. So you have denoted the value is P0, P1, P2, P3 and P4. So now otherwise you have given the direct value of P0, otherwise you have given the matrix and you have represent the P0 value. So this is the main concept of the matrix chain you have right here. So the P0 value is find. So next we can show the condition of the matrix chain multiplication. So the condition is extremely importance of the matrix chain multiplication. You have write the condition and solve the problems. It is easy to define that. So condition is m of I equal to 0. So you have find only for the I value and j value compare it respect to the matrix. But it is the importance the one part of I value is 0. It means your diagonal value is always 0. So the first condition is in the matrix we can represent that in the diagonal value is always 0. So next condition is the condition of the matrix chain m of ik equal to minimum I less than equal to k less than j bracket m of ik plus m of k plus 1 comma j plus p of I minus 1 multiply p of k multiply p of j. Otherwise, here we can show one different method, but this is the only change for the I less than equal to k less than equal to j minus 1. So we have denoted here less than equal to and here we can use j minus 1. So this is the both are same. So we have used this condition for the solve the matrix chain multiplication problem. ये दोनों कंडीशन ट्रू है. आप कोई भी कंडीशन अप्लाई कर सकते हो, लेकिन मैंने इस प्रॉब्लम को सेकंड कंडीशन से सॉल्व आउट किया हुआ है जो आपको एक तरह से इजी रहेगा. सो वी कैन स्टार्ट. So we can repeat that the condition. The condition is importance m of ij equal to minimum m of ik plus m of k plus 1 comma j plus p of I minus 1 multiply p of k multiply p of j. Fifth, the condition is also here I is less than equal to k and less than equal to j minus 1. So this is the importance for the matrix chain multiplication. Now we can start here. So in the matrix chain multiplication, this is the solve out the problems. You have checked that finally. Now we can start. So this is one tables you have created. You can show that we can start the up to matrix chain multiplication up to value is P0 to P4 here 5 value. but you have saw that here matrix is given 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we have create a table based on the matrix. You have given the matrix 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we have create the table 4 cross 4. You have given the 5 value, and then after we can create 4 minus 1, 1 negative table. So we can start here. We can create 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and create just table. Also, we can show that the condition if m of I equal to 0, it means the diagonal value is all the 0. तो इसमें क्या होगा, आप डायगोनल वैल्यू है पहले से ही पुट कर देंगे जो 0 है. सो दिस इज द कंसेप्ट ऑफ द मैट्रिक्स चेन. हम डायगोनल वैल्यू को 0 कर लेंगे. उसके बाद क्या है, हम प्रॉब्लम्स को स्टार्ट कहाँ से करेंगे और कौन कौन सी वैल्यू फाइंड करेंगे जिस तरह से इस टेबल को फिलअप किया जाए. तो दिस इज द इम्पोर्टेंस. So we have find the value of here m of 1 2, then after we have find m of 2 3, then after we can find m of 3 4, then after we have find m of 1 3, then after we can find m of 2 4 and finally m of 1 4. So this is the importance. आप एग्जाम्पल स्टार्ट कहाँ से करोगे, कोई भी प्रॉब्लम सोल्व आउट कैसे करोगे जो मैट्रिक्स चेन प्रॉब्लम दिया हुआ है. तो ये कंडीशन तो इम्पोर्टेंस है ही, इसी तरह से आप वैल्यू कैसे फिलअप करते हो वो भी इम्पोर्टेंस है. तो आप इस तरह रो से वैल्यू फाइंड नहीं करोगे, कैसे करोगे, डायगोनल से. तो आप फर्स्ट वैल्यू फाइंड करोगे m of 1 2 2 3 and 3 4, then after 1 3, then after 2 4 and then after 1 4. So you have find this type of matrix chain multiplication and diagonal value is 0. So now we have start and find first value is m of 1 2. So we have started here the matrix chain multiplication. So you have write the condition first of all, m of ij equal to minimum m of ik plus m of k plus 1 comma j plus p of I minus 1 multiply p of k multiply p of j. And the main condition is I is less than equal to k less than equal to j minus. So we have find the value of m of 1 2. So we have find the in the 1 2 you have find that I equal to 1, j equal to 2. So here the k value is importance. अब k की वैल्यू आपको एज्यूम करनी है कि आप k की वैल्यू कौन सी ले रहे हो. मैं फिर से रिपीट कर देता हूं. आपके पास i की वैल्यू है 1, j की वैल्यू है 2 because of m of 1 2. So now you have put here I equal to 1, j equal to 2. So 2 minus 1 1. So you have assumed the k. तो आप k की वैल्यू कौन से एज्यूम कर पाओगे. आपके पास एक ही ऑप्शन है कि आप उस वैल्यू को 1 से डिनोट करें. So you have put the k equal to 1, only one condition is satisfied. यहाँ पे आप 2 नहीं पुट कर पाओगे because of this is the not valid condition. So now you have assumed the value of k and the value of k is 1. Now you have put this value in this equation, and now the m of ij, m of 1 2, you have saw that here because of the table this value is m of 1 2. First you have find, and then after minimum m of ik plus m of k plus 1 comma j plus p of I minus 1, p of k and p of j. This is the condition. Now m of I equal to 1, k equal to 1 plus m of k plus 1, k equal to 1, you have assumed that 2 and j is always 2 plus p of I minus 1. What is the value of I? 1, 1 minus 1 0, p of 0, p of k P of 1, P of j, P of 2. So now you have put this value here. M of 1 is, you have saw that here, all the value, the condition is M of I equal to 0. It means M of 1 equal to 0, 2 equal to 0, 3 equal to 0, 4 5 6 6, up to all the value is 0. So now you have saw that here M of 1 equal to 0 plus M of 2 equal to 0 plus P of 0, P of 1, P of 2. Now so you have multiplied this value because of this is the condition, you have saw that. Now what is the P0, P1 and P2 here? So you have saw that here P0 5, P2 6 and P3 2 and P1 4. So now P0 is 5, you have right here P0 5, P1 4 and P2 is 6. You have saw that here P2 is 6, 5 and 4. So now you have multiply value. So now the final answer you have saw that 120. So now you have put 120 here. We already put the final table 120. So now this is the importance. So the same value you have find the next. So the next value is, you have saw that here, the next value here M of 2 3. It means I equal to 2, j equal to 3. So you have checked that I equal to 2, j equal to 3, and you have checked the condition. I is here, this is the condition. You have put here value I and j and assume the k. तो आपको assume k की वैल्यू करना है. So I की वैल्यू आपके पास क्या है 2. So you have put 2. k की वैल्यू assume करना है और j की वैल्यू है 3. So 3 minus 1 2. So you have put here 2. Now assume here. तो आप assume करोगे कौन सी वैल्यू आएगी and condition is satisfied. यहाँ पे आप 1 नहीं पुट कर सकते, 2 पुट कर सकते हो because of only 2 वैल्यू इज assume. 3 पुट नहीं कर सकते. जो भी पॉसिबिलिटी है वो आप सबको पुट करनी है. अगर यहाँ पे 2 3 4 होगा तो आप वो भी वैल्यू पुट कर सकते हो, लेकिन यहाँ पे सिर्फ 1 पॉसिबिलिटी है जो है k equal to 2. So you have assumed k equal to 2. Now I equal to 2 always, j equal to 3 and k equal to 2. So now put the value of M of 2 3, this condition also always. Now I equal to 2, k equal to 2 plus M of k plus 1, 2 plus 1 3, j equal to 3, p of I minus 1, I equal to 2, it means p of 1, p of k equal to 2, p of j equal to 3. Now you have put M of 2 it means 0, 3 it means 0. Now you have multiplied p1, p2 and p3. So you have find that p1 here 4, 6 and 2. So what is the multiplication? So the multiplication is 48. You have saw that 4 multiply 6 and multiply 2. Now you have put the value in this column. It means here I will display the table. So you have put the 48 here. Now same you have find this value M of 3 4. We have checked here. So this is the importance of the matrix chain multiplication, and you have assumed that here the value you have find that, and the value is I equal to 3, j equal to 4 here. I equal to 3, j equal to 4. Now 4 minus 1 3. It means I is 3, j is 3. You have assumed the value of k. आपके पास k की वैल्यू assume करना, तो आपके पास ओनली फॉर 1 पॉसिबिलिटी है जो है 3. आप यहाँ पे 1 2 कुछ भी पुट नहीं कर सकते, 4 पुट नहीं कर सकते. So you have one possibility and the possibility is 3. So you have put here 3 is less than equal to 3 and less than equal to 3, and now you have put the value of this equation and the final answer is 84. So now you have put 84 in this diagonal or m of 3 of position. So 84 you have put here, we already put. Now you have find this value 1, 2 and 3. Now you have find here m of 1, 3 you have find, then after you have find m of 2, 4, and finally you have find m of 1, 4. So now we can start the next value is m of 1, 3. So in the m of 1, 3 we can check that 1, 3, it means I equal to 1, j equal to 3. Now you have put the assume of k. So where is the value of k? You have checked that this condition. You have put I equal to 1. आप यहाँ पे put कीजिए I equal to 1 put कीजिए, तो आएगा 1. j equal to 3 put कीजिए, it means 3 minus 1, it means 2 आएगा. तो यहाँ पे I की वैल्यू है 1 और j की वैल्यू है, और यहाँ पे वैल्यू है 2 बिकॉज ऑफ j minus 1. तो आप k की वैल्यू एज्यूम करनी है, तो k की वैल्यू कौन सी आएगी? आप यहाँ पे कंडीशन सेटिस्फाई होनी चाहिए, तो I की वैल्यू है 1 less than equal to 1 less than equal to 2. So this is the condition is satisfied. Yes, it means you have assumed the k and k value is 1 is satisfied. Now the second you have checked it. So now you have put the second value of k. You have assumed that I equal to 1 less than equal to 2 less than equal to 2. So this is the k value is satisfied. So you have find the 2 value for the assumption in the same here also. तो आप यहाँ पे 2 वैल्यू एज्यूम कर पाओगे, इसी तरह से पॉसिबिलिटी को आप एज्यूम कर पाओगे. तो ये 2 पॉसिबिलिटी k equal to 1 और k equal to 2. So we have put here this equation in k equal to 1 first of all, and then after k equal to 2. Here also you have put k equal to 3. Then this is the condition is not satisfied because of I is 1, k is 3. Okay, then j is 2. यहाँ पे वैल्यू 2 आएगी because of j minus 1 है. So this is the k assumption 3 is not satisfied. So you have assumed the k value is 2, 1 and 2. Now you have put first you have find the k equal to 1 and minimum value. Then after you have find k equal to 2 in the minimum value. So now m of 1, 3 minimum m of I k, it means you have find k equal to 1, then I is 1, k is 1 because of k equal to 1 plus m of k plus 1, 1 plus 1 2, j is 3 plus p of I minus 1, it means p of 0, p of k, k equal to 1, p of j, j equal to 3. So now you have find the k equal to 1. Then next k equal to 2. So you have find and put k equal to 2 here, m of I k, m of 1, 2. So the next we can add m of k plus 1, it means 2 plus 1, m of 3, j equal to 3. So m of 3 into 3 and put k equal to 2 here, p of I minus 1, p of 0, p of k, p of 2 and p of j, p equal to 3. Now you have put p of 0, p of 1 and p of 3, p of 0, p2 and p3 and find the minimum value. Here also you have find the minimum, but here only for one value assume that, so you have only for write the one value. Here you have find the minimum, so the condition because of the minimum here only for one value, so you have not find minimum value. So now you have find the minimum, so the minimum you have right here, this is the 0, so all this equation is 0, m of 1 1 is 0. What is the m of 2 3 is a value already you have find that, we have find the m of 2 3 is 48, so you have not to find the repeat the value, but just put the m of 2 3, so 2 3 is 48 plus p0 p1 and p3. So we have right here also p0 p1 and p3, it means 5 4 2 and remaining value is also 4 6. So we have right here 5 4 2 and 5 6 2. Now this is the 48 plus this multiply is 40, and here m of 1 2, so what is the 1 2, this is the not 0, so 1 2 is, you have find here m of 1 2 is 120, so you have put the 120 plus m of 3 3 is 0, then you have put the value. Now you have find, and the total 48 plus 40 is 88, and 120 plus 60 is 180, and you have find the minimum value, and the minimum value is 88, it means k equal to 1 you have right here, so you have put, so the final value is m of 1 3 and this value is 88, and this step is completed of the matrix chain multiplication. So now same you have follow the next value, it means you have find the 88 of m of 1 3, so you have find that here, and the put m of 1 3 here 120, sorry 88, so we have put 88 here because of the minimum value. Now next you have find the m of 2 4, now next you have find the m of 1 4, and your problem is completed. And the continue, we have saw that only for the value of the assumption of t, you have understand that, तो यहाँ पे हम k के वैल्यू कैसे एज्यूम होते हैं वो ही सिर्फ दिखेंगे। तो आपके पास m of 2 4 है, इट मीन्स i इक्वल टू 2 j इक्वल टू 4, और हमारे पास कंडीशन है, आप देख सकोगे, दिस इज द m of 2 4, इट मीन्स i इक्वल टू 2 j इक्वल टू 4, तो हमारे पास कंडीशन है i इज less than equal to k and less than equal to j minus 1. So you have put first I equal to 2 here and j minus 1, it means 3. Now you have assumed the value of k, तो आप k के वैल्यू एज्यूम करोगे, यहाँ पे आपको 2 पुट किया है और यहाँ से 3, so you have assumed the k, so the k is 2 possibility 2 and 3, because of 1 is not possible because of I value is 2, and 4 is not possible here because of this is the final value is 3, so here 2 possibility of the k, तो आपके पास 2 k की possibility आएगी 2 and 3, so you have put m of 2 4 in the first, you have find the k equal to 2, and the next you have find the value of k equal to 3, and you have find the value of minimum of k equal to 2 and 3, you have find the minimum value of this 2 4, and finally you have find the minimum of 2 4, and the final value of minimum is 104, it means k equal to 3. Now you have put here the minimum value, so we have already put here 104, so you have find the possibility, and then after next you have find the final value of the column 1 4, then you have find the possibility of the equation, so equation is I is less than equal to k and less than equal to j minus 1, so the possibility I equal to 1 just put here, and j equal to put here 4. It means 4 minus 1 is 3. So you have find 1 and 3. Now find the possibility of k, and the possibility of the k is, you have put 1. This is satisfied because of here 1 is less than equal to 1 and less than equal to 2. This is the satisfy. You have put k equal to 2, then this is the satisfy because of I is 1 less than equal to 2 less than equal to 3. This is the satisfy because of j equal to 4 here. So 4 minus 1 is 3. And also put k equal to 3. That time this condition is satisfied. So you have find k equal to 1, k equal to 2 and k equal to 3, and find the minimum value of 1 4, and finally you have find the minimum value of 1 4 because of 1 0 0 2 4 you have find in the previously, and all the possibility minimum value you have find the 158 for the m of 1 4, and this is the final answer of the matrix chain multiplication. So here the importance of the factor of the matrix chain multiplication. How can you solve the problems using tables and fill the value of the k, and the importance value of k is importance, and the assumption of the value of k. So now we have repeat the quick of the matrix chain multiplication. So what is the problems? The problems is matrix chain multiplication. Solve the following problems using matrix chain multiplication. You have put the value, you have given the value p0, p1, p2, p3 and p4. Otherwise you have given some matrix and dimension. It means a1, a2, a3 and a4. So now just assume here this value is p0, p1, p2, p3 and final value is p4. Now based on the matrix you have given 4 value 1, 2, 3 and 4. You have create one table. You have saw that 1, 2, 3 and 4 we have create the table, and this is one table also, blank table we have created. And now the condition is important. We have used this condition, so because of this is the very easy, and the condition is m of I0 equal to 0. It means 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 all the value is 0. Now the condition you have importance m of ij equal to minimum I of m of ik plus m of k plus 1 comma j plus p of I minus 1 multiply p of k multiply p of j. So you have put here just value of I, k and j. Here it means the k p of k, it means the value of k equal to 1. So you have put p of 1. Here suppose j value is 2, so you have put the value of p of 2 because of this is the p of 2 here. So this is the importance. And now here you have given the m of ij, it means you have given the value. तो आपको क्या दिया होगा? This is the m of ij, this is the 1 2. So this is the importance factor you have find out. आप कैसे प्रॉब्लम को सोल्व आउट करोगे? You have find first of all m of 1 2, then 2 3, then 3 4, then after 1 3, 2 4 and then 1 4. So here the first is m of 2 3. So you have checked that m of m of 1 2. So you have put m of 1 2. It means I equal to 1 here and j equal to 2 here, and you have put here I equal to 1, j equal to 2, and assume the value of k. So now you have checked that I equal to 1 and j minus 1 is 1. Now assume of value of k. What is the value of k? You have put here, and this condition is satisfied. You have assumed that. You have put 0? No. You have put 1? Yes. This is the condition is satisfied. You have put 2 here? No. Because of condition, this condition is not satisfied. So you have put 3? No. Just you have put 1, then condition is satisfied here. So you have assumed the value of k. Same, the pattern is follow. So here you have assumed the value of next 1 3, you have possible assume the value of k, and the k you have assumed it is put 1, it is possible, 2 is possible, and this is the also you have possible the condition 1 2 3, and finally answer is 158, and you have create this table also, and this is the matrix chain multiplication final answer. So thank you all of you.